One thing we noticed doing a lot of game-based learning projects over the years is that a lot of the development time was spent on content. Getting content from the instructional designers, like the subject matter experts we were working with, integrating it into the products themselves, putting those versions back out for review, getting updates and getting feedback. And it was a long, expensive cycle. And so we really wanted to focus on pulling out what was the core activity that we were trying to deliver to the student and build what we call templates to support those in engineering, and then put authoring tools on top of those to allow our content partners to directly create, enter, and test their content. So now the iteration loop for content doesn't include our engineering team. It's just an instructional designer or the subject matter expert iterating until they're happy with what they have, publishing it, and then after they've released it, they can continue to maintain it and update it as things change or as they want to improve things going forward. We had 3 goals for the technology transition. The first was to remove and reduce technical barriers to students accessing our content. The second was to move our cloud-based platform to a more reliable, maintainable place. And third was to increase the accessibility features of our products. With all the major browsers and operating systems adopting modern web standards like HTML5, WebGL, and WebSockets, we were able to remove our plugin and go deliver native web and mobile experiences to our students, which was a big improvement for them. We moved our cloud-based platform all to Amazon Web Services, which has great support for redundancy, scalability, reliability. We're able to do no downtime updates to all our products now, which is a huge improvement for our market. And because we're native in the browser, we're able to take advantage of accessibility features like screen reader support, alt tagging of images, mouse-free operation, and other things that make their products more easily usable by all students. As a web service, we make our content available to our partners, whether they use a standard LMS like Blackboard, Canvas, or Moodle, or they have their own proprietary solutions. Primarily, we use learning tools interoperability, the LTI standard, to integrate to those LMS environments. That allows the student to access the content directly out of their learning management system, get the advantages of single sign-on, get gradebook integration back into their LMS. Also allows the instructor to come over and see rosters and grades and more detailed analytics about their student performance. At the K-12 level, we're integrated with Google Classroom, which has been pretty wide use now in the U.S., and also working with HMH on their marketplace product. I think for, what's next for Muzzy Lane is continuing to grow our template set, look at common types of activities, whether they're role-playing activities, simulations, business, career, virtual job training type activities, build templates for those and improve them and put those out and allow our authors really to build more interesting and valuable content.